Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Take notes. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can delete all messenger messages. So for that you need to open messenger and you need to select the user or the chat you want to delete the messages of. So once I tap on it, and here you can see here are multiple messages. If you want to delete one message, then you need to tap on it and you need to tap on more, and from here you need to tap on remove to remove the message and tap on send again. And now you can see that a message has been on sent to this user. But if you want to delete the whole conversation or all messages on this messenger, then you need to go back, tap and hold this chat and tap on delete, and tap on delete this entire conversation. From this way you can easily delete messenger messages at once. Thank you.